Python library in details. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. The fascinating world of Python libraries. Python Standard Library. The Python Standard Library is an integral part of Python distributions. It comes bundled with Python and provides a rich set of built-in modules and functions. These modules cover a wide range of functionalities, from basic I/O operations to advanced data processing and manipulation. Some key aspects of the Python Standard Library include built-in modules. These are written in C and provide access to system-level functionality, example file I/O, that would otherwise be inaccessible to Python programmers. Python modules. These are written in Python and offer standardized solutions for common programming problems. Portability. Many modules are designed to enhance the portability of Python programs by abstracting away platform-specific details. Examples of commonly used modules from the Python Standard Library. OS, for interacting with the operating system, example file handling, directory operations. Math, provides mathematical functions and constants. Datetime, deals with dates, times, and time zones. JSON, for working with JSON data. RE, handles regular expressions. Collections, contains container data types like lists, dictionaries, and sets. The Python Standard Library is a treasure trove of tools that simplify development and encourage best practices. Python libraries. Beyond the standard library, Python boasts a vibrant ecosystem of third-party libraries. A Python library is a collection of related modules that serve specific purposes. These libraries contain pre-written code, making it easier for developers to avoid reinventing the wheel. Here are some notable Python libraries. NumPy, ideal for numerical computation, array manipulation, and linear algebra. Pandas, perfect for data analysis and manipulation using data frames. Matplotlib, used for creating visualizations and plots. Scikit-learn, a powerful machine learning library. TensorFlow and PyTorch, popular for deep learning and neural networks. In summary, Python libraries are like magical toolboxes that empower developers to build amazing applications without starting from scratch. Whether you're crunching numbers, analyzing data, or training AI models, Python libraries have got your back. Thank you.